Welcome to Genius Tech. Today we dive into the fascinating world of innovative gadgets. Discover 10 incredible devices available on Amazon that will improve your daily life. Get ready to be amazed and stay until the end to not miss a thing. Let's get started. 1. iRobot Roomba Combo. Essential Y0110. Meet the iRobot Roomba Combo Essential, a revolutionary vacuum and mop robot. With its 4-step cleaning system, it vacuums and mops simultaneously, reaching every corner thanks to its edge-sweeping brush. Its advanced navigation and sensors help it avoid obstacles and prevent falls. Programmable through the iRobot Home app, you can schedule cleanings remotely and monitor its performance with Clean Maps reports. Its compact design allows it to clean under furniture and hard-to-reach areas. With a 120-minute battery life, it automatically returns to its dock to recharge. This reliable companion features a micro-pump washing system and a reusable mop pad that can be washed up to 30 times, ensuring spotless cleaning on all surfaces. 2. Secotec Cremite Compact Chino White Rose. Transform your coffee experience with the Secotec Cremite Compact Chino Super Automatic Coffee Machine. Compact and stylish, it brews espressos and Americanos using freshly ground beans with its plug-and-play system. Its 19-bar pump ensures a rich creamer and intense aroma in every cup. Equipped with a thermoblock system, it heats up quickly for a perfect coffee in seconds. You can customize and save your preferences using its intuitive controls. The integrated conical grinder offers 5 grind levels, tailoring flavors to all tastes. With a 1.1-liter removable water tank and a 400-milliliter milk reservoir, it simplifies the preparation of various beverages. Its self-cleaning feature ensures impeccable hygiene, making it the ideal choice for coffee enthusiasts. 3. Swan Scout 709 M Dual Charger for Apple Watch and iPhone. The Swan Scout 709M is the ultimate charging station for Apple users. Designed to charge 2 Apple Watches and other compatible devices simultaneously, it eliminates cable clutter. With 25-watt power, it provides fast and efficient charging, reaching 50% battery in just 40 minutes for an Apple Watch. Its N52 magnetic base automatically aligns devices for optimal charging, while the non-slip coating ensures stability. Compatible with iPhones, Apple Watches, and AirPods, it centralizes your charging needs in one sleek device. Including a 25-watt USB-C adapter, a USB-C cable, and a manual, the Swan Scout 709M combines efficiency and simplicity, making it a perfect solution for families or tech-savvy couples. With personalized spatial audio and a 360-degree immersive experience, the AirPods 4 are perfect for music, movies, or gaming. Easy to connect and intuitive to use, they combine performance and simplicity. 5. Eureka Ergonomic LED Gaming Desk. Elevate your gaming or work experience with the Eureka Ergonomic LED Gaming Desk. This electric sit-stand desk, with its wing-shaped design, is tailored for gamers and content creators. Its carbon fiber surface, 182 by 76 centimeters, provides ample space for multiple monitors and equipment. Its dual-motor lifting system adjusts the height from 75 to 122 centimeters to meet your needs. Anti-collision sensors ensure optimal safety. Equipped with multicolor LED lighting and accessories such as an adjustable monitor stand, swivel keyboard tray, and cable management solutions, this desk maximizes comfort and efficiency. Sturdy and reliable, it supports up to 100 kilograms and includes a full-surface mouse pad for the ultimate experience. It's the perfect choice for a modern and functional workspace. 6. Apple Watch Series 9. The Apple Watch Series 9 is your ally for a healthier, more connected life. Powered by the advanced S9 chip, it delivers enhanced performance and touch-free interaction with its magical gestures. Its always-on Retina display ensures perfect visibility even in bright sunlight. With features like blood oxygen monitoring, ECGs, and sleep phase tracking, it closely monitors your health and well-being. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate its training tools and detailed performance data. With cellular connectivity, you can make calls and send messages without your iPhone. Its sleek design, aluminum case, and sport band ensure comfort and style. Versatile and intuitive, the Series 9 is more than a watch. It's a personal assistant. 7. Bose SoundLink Max Portable Speaker. If you're a music lover or the designated party DJ, the Bose SoundLink Max is a must-have. This waterproof Bluetooth speaker delivers deep bass and powerful sound for guaranteed vibes. With an impressive 20-hour battery life, it keeps you company day and night, even in extreme conditions. Its IP67 rating makes it resistant to water, dust, and shocks. Its smart design includes a soft rope handle for easy portability. But that's not all. It features an auxiliary input for wired connections and a USB-C port for device charging. Control settings via the Bose app for a customized sound experience. With this speaker, the party never stops. 8. PVO Mini Projector. The PVO Mini Projector is perfect for entertaining kids or enjoying a movie under the stars. Small, lightweight, and portable, it projects images up to 170 inches. Ideal for protecting kids' eyes, it offers an alternative to phone or tablet screens. With 1080p Full HD resolution and enhanced brightness, this projector delivers exceptional visual quality. It includes built-in stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.4, you can easily connect headphones or speakers. Its multi-interface HDMI, USB, Type-C makes it compatible with various multimedia devices. Powered by a charger or power bank, it's ready to use anywhere, whether camping or at home. A practical and budget-friendly option for memorable evenings. 9. EcoFlow Delta 2 Portable Power Station. For camping enthusiasts or those seeking reliable backup power, the EcoFlow Delta 2 is a must-have. This portable solar generator offers a scalable capacity from 1 to 3 kilowatt-hours, enough to power 90% of your home devices. With fast charging, it goes from 0 to 80% in just 50 minutes. You can also recharge it via solar panels for an eco-friendly solution. Built with durable LFP batteries, it guarantees over 3,000 life cycles. Its compact and sturdy design makes it perfect for outdoor adventures, RV trips, or home use. Whether facing a power outage or cutting energy bills, this generator is practical and environmentally friendly. The 10th Strong Streaming Box Android TV 4K UHD. Turn your TV into a smart TV with the Strong Leap S3. This compact TV box offers 4K UHD, resolution with HDR, Dolby Atmos, and Dolby Vision support for exceptional audio-visual quality. With Android TV and built-in Chromecast, you can cast videos from your phone or download apps directly to the box. Compatible with services like Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube, it's perfect for streaming enthusiasts. Plus, it includes Google Assistant for intuitive voice control. Easy to set up, this versatile gadget fits almost any TV with its HDMI connection. If you want to modernize your TV experience, this box is the perfect choice. And there you have it, our selection of 10 innovative accessories to enhance your daily life. These gadgets are designed to simplify your routines, optimize your lifestyle, and sometimes even surprise you with their ingenuity. Which of these accessories impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest tech discoveries. Thanks for watching, and see you soon on Genius Tech.